Hi, Willie Stoltz, used truck sales manager here at Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2012 Isuzu NPR HD. It's stock number 41742 if you'd like to take a look at it on our website. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, we're going to go over a couple things our customers are looking for. Number one, they're looking for a durable, reliable truck that they can purchase and immediately put on the road. They're looking for a truck that still has warranty or can have warranty put on it, and a truck that is easily financeable. So basically what they're looking for is a one-stop truck shop, and that's what we are. When we bring our trucks in, we get them from our leasing company and from our used trucks that our customers trade in. We wholesale the trucks we don't want. The trucks that we do want, we bring them in. We do a 150-point check on them. We check the cabs, the bodies, lift gates, engine fluids, transmission fluids, air conditioner, brakes, and all that. Any discrepancies we find, we run it through our medium duty shop and through our body shop. Once that's done, I test drive the truck. We do a QC on it, clean it up, and put it on the website. This particular truck, as I said, is an NPR HD 2012. It's got the 215 horse diesel. It's got an ICE and 6-speed automatic transmission. And on top of that, we've done the engine oil and filter. We've done the fuel filter and air filter. And this truck has actually got factory extended warranty left on it until 7/3 of 2022 or 212,000 miles. So it's still got good warranty left on it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. This particular truck's a low cab Ford, so it's very easy to get into. We get in it, and once you're in it, you can see your drivers will have a wide view of the road, out far and up front. Being a low cab Ford, it's got a smaller footprint than a conventional truck does, so it's easier to maneuver in neighborhoods, in people's parking lots, and even your own parking lot at your yard. So it's a very safe truck. It's got the AM/FM CD radio, air conditioning, the tilt and telescopic wheel. It's got a nice driver's seat, two-person passenger seat, so you can put a crew of 3 in here to get your job done. Let's take a look at the back of the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years, so we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the truck. When you look at pre-owned truck bodies, a lot of times the corner caps are knocked out, the roof's dented real bad, the side radiuses. This truck's in really good shape. It's a Supreme FRP, fiberglass reinforced plywood, in really good shape. Like I say, it does have the Gold Star warranty on it, so the DPF filter's been clean, the truck's been gone through, it's got good tires on it. And as you can see, not a lot of rust. We've got new mud flaps on it. And we get around to the back, this is a landscape truck. So we've got the 2-foot dovetail, the split ramps, so you can have one ramp up, one ramp down, or you can let both of them down, whatever your needs are. You can run your lawnmowers, your zero turns, wheelbarrows, all your stuff that you have to load. This particular body is at 16 foot long, it's 85 tall, and it's 96 wide, so it's a good size for your landscape stuff. It's got 2 rows of E-track and slats. You can put your equipment or different things up against it. It goes up to the front and back around. It's got a nice aluminum roof in it. And it's got the dome light for the early mornings or late evenings. Your guys can turn those on and still see what they're doing. And it's got the laminated hardwood floor in it, so it's very durable, very resilient. It's not going to wear out real fast. And as you can see on the expanded metal, we have the grip going up, so when your guys are trying to get up in there, the tires will grip good. And when they're going up and down when it's wet, they're not going to slip and fall. It's got the roll-up rear door. It's in really good shape. This truck's ready to go. Here at Industrial Power, we talk to a lot of people that just think about big white delivery trucks, landscape trucks. We see a rolling billboard, and especially on the landscape trucks, We can put your name and design, phone numbers on here, completely wrap this truck, make it look virtually brand new, turning your fuel money into that advertising money, driving new business to your. As we complete this walk around on this truck, we've gone over the high spots, let you know that this truck still has factory extended warranty on it, so it's covered good. So you can get in this thing, buy it, get your guys on the road and feel good about it. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube channel where we're pretty much putting new trucks on every day. And again, here at Industrial Power, we want you to think about your used truck center. We've got the landscape trucks like this, the big box trucks, the small box trucks, and other vocational trucks for your needs. And if you'll stick around with us for a minute, we're going to tilt the cab, start this thing up, and do a closer walk around so you can see and hear it running and get a better look at the truck. And again, we appreciate your time.